never satisfy my heart, no matter how much I obtain. So my dream for Jannah grows day by day, and I pray to Allah to guide me all the way till I make it to His path.
Assalamu alaikum guys, I hope you're doing well. In this video we will look into the Arabic vocabulary words for drinks. So let's get started. Bismillah. So let's start from the right hand side. So the first word we have is shy. Shy. Tea. Shy. Tea. Asirur burtuqal. Orange juice. Asirur burtuqal. Orange juice. Asirur burtuqal. Orange juice. Asir. Juice. Asir. Juice. Ma. Water. Water. Halib. Milk. Kahwa. Coffee. So let's recap once again. Shy, tea. Asirur burtuqal, orange juice. Asir, juice. Ma, water. Halib, milk. Kahwa, coffee. So these were the vocabulary words for the drinks in Arabic, and I'll see you guys in another video. Until next time, assalamu alaikum.
And I wish to fast the Prophet. I wish to fast the Prophet. Be with me, oh, yeah. So many dreams, in my life. I dream a lot of things.